Alright guys, we got the relocation kit installed. Made sure to put high performance thread sealant with PTFE, otherwise known as Teflon, on the coolant sensor thread, as well as the new block plug adapter plugs threads. Putting it in was a little bit of a challenge, but it wasn't too bad. Luckily I was able to get my arm up in between the four-wheel drive propeller shaft and the transmission to first get the thread started on the adapter, and then after that, once I got it hand tightened, I was able to take the 39 millimeter deep socket and finish tightening it up, as well as torquing it down to 44 pound-feet or foot-pounds. So we got that all done. The only thing that's left is our extension here for the temperature sensor. Now the way that thing is located, it's around the header area, so I don't have too many choices when it comes to routing the extension cable. The best route would be to come out the back and up behind the engine and over here along the other large wire bundle here for the fuel injectors and such. Just run it along the line of that, place it down with zip ties, and then plug it in. The only concern I have is, once I got down there and started looking at, what routing options I have, I think these extension cables come in two sizes. This is a 36-inch. I believe ICT has a longer one, and I suspect, this is I'm gonna need a longer extension cable, because the connector is up here. This is probably just drip down behind the engine, but I don't think there's gonna be enough room to actually route it the way I want and be able to connect into the to the new location. So what I'm gonna do is go on ICT's site and see if they do have another size, a longer size. If they don't, then I might just purchase another one and then fasten these together, because they should fit just perfect. So that'll be the last step, is just figuring that out and seeing what options I have for sizes. Hopefully they just have a long one. These aren't very expensive, so that's okay that I'm glad to use this guy. But man, I'm glad I got that done. That was a real pain in the butt, but not too bad. I think anybody else could do it pretty easily, especially if you don't have a four-wheel drive truck. You won't have to fight around maneuvering around the propeller shaft that goes from the transfer case to the front diff, so you just have direct access. So anyways, I'm gonna wrap this video up and catch you guys on the next one. See ya.